Hi, online biologists. Here we are in week 9 of our Bio 11 course. So of course the big thing that we have going on this week is that we are preparing for our Battle of the Sexes debate. So you should be in your teams, and if you were not here on Monday and you've forgotten who your teammates are, go ahead and check in the people link in Canvas and definitely reach out to your teammates. People who were in class and who began working on the project, also try to reach out to those teammates who weren't there, because I know a lot of people were out. A lot of people were sick. Anyhow, so the big thing to keep in mind is you now have 3 jobs, and your team is going to choose 2 out of those 3 jobs to focus on. So each team knows already if you're going to be taking the side of defending that men are better suited for those jobs or women, right? And you're going to defend that gender next week in class. So the first assignment is to go ahead and do some research. Start thinking about what skills, what types of information you can find online that give you some evidence that certain skills are really important for those jobs. And then, of course, you go into that Human Performance Lab data and start trying to find examples of data from those tests that we did, those activities that help support that maybe men are better or women are better at that particular task. Okay, so by Thursday night, you need to have a discussion post put up that essentially helps indicate that you guys are making progress. And one person from each team can post that, but of course everybody's name should be on that post. And of course, before then, everybody should have contributed to help make that one post that then goes up on the discussion assignment to get your points. So that's very important, not only because it lets me know that you guys are working on the project well, but of course for you guys yourselves, you feel a lot more confident if by Thursday you already feel like you know what's coming together. So that probably means you'll need to get together or at least do some sort of communication before Thursday to really talk about the data and what you guys are finding. So that discussion is due Thursday night. And then the debate itself is going to take place next Monday during our lab time. So your team and your opposing team, you only have to show up at your scheduled time. And if you look at the announcement that I've posted here, you'll see the times for when each debate's going to take place. Each debate takes about half an hour, so don't be late. Don't be late to your team's scheduled time. Because it's just simply not fair to your teammates and also to the other students. And if you are late and we already have to start going, then unfortunately you're going to lose 5 points off of your own grade for the project. Okay, so make sure you check Canvas to read again the format about what needs to go into the debate preparation. It's all there in those Canvas links. There's also some links available about how to run statistics in Excel, so you can make use of those if you want to go ahead and find some compelling results in the numbers. And then in terms of the regular course material from the textbook, we talked about cell membranes, so you want to be familiar with what we talked about with passive and active transport of membranes, and also cellular respiration, both aerobic and aerobic respiration. And you especially want to spend some time getting familiar with that whole chart or that whole map of the different stages of cellular respiration that take place in the mitochondria. Not only the names of the 3 stages, but what's going in, what's coming out of each one, and what are some of the molecules that link them together. Okay? There are some great videos as always on Canvas, and it's up to you guys to watch them. I encourage you to watch them because there's some terms that might be in those videos that might appear on the quiz that we didn't really spend a lot of time talking about in class. So that'll help you out a lot. And of course, if you have any questions about the week's work, feel free to message me. Otherwise, I'll look forward to seeing you at your debates on Monday.